What's up, you guys? I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be continuing the Harry Potter series. It's a beautiful fall day and I feel like we need to do some fall colors. So what I'm going to do today is the Gryffindor house. I just think that with this beautiful fall weather that we're having, they're the perfect colors to do. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm sorry that I keep doing like the no talking videos where I just put music over it, but my chit chat get ready with me always lasts so long, and I don't like to do videos that last a long time because I don't watch videos that just have people talking constantly. It drives me crazy unless it's super entertaining. I don't think I'm super entertaining and people just don't want to hear me talk over and over again. So I just do the music and speed it up a little bit just so that you can watch what you want to watch. So yeah, I've been doing those. I also, like, if I do the chit chat get ready with me, they last so long and I have so much to get done today, so I am gonna do another one of those. I apologize, but I have so much to get done today and I really need to get a video out, so that's what I'm going to do. If you guys don't like it, you guys can go ahead and leave me a comment below and I will try and get a chit chat get ready with me out soon. I just don't think people want to hear me talk because I'm boring. So if you want to see that, go ahead and give me a comment below. If not, that's fine too, because I don't even like to hear me talk. So that's what I'm going to do today, Gryffindor house. If you want to know how to get the look, then just keep on watching. house from Harry Potter. I think it turned out really good. I'm really satisfied with it. I tried the cut crease and it actually works pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. First time I've really done a cut crease. I am super surprised that I was able to do it because I usually can't do things all that well when I first try it. So that was pretty exciting. But other than that, it was a great look. I love how it turned out. If you guys want me to do anything else, just go ahead and leave a comment in the section below and I will read over them and see what you all are saying. I've got a ton of things to do, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. Again, thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. You guys support me, and it's all of you that here starting with me. I really do appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you're friends and family, I appreciate it even that much more. So thanks again. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, and then don't forget to subscribe. I put out new videos every week, or a new video every week usually. And that is the end of this video. I will stop talking now. Thank you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!